Hi guys, I am your tutor for today's lesson on how to make or to create a line type in AutoCAD. So to begin with our lesson, let us first make a line. There you have it. Now we have our line. So after making your line, type line type in the command box. Line type. Press spacebar, and then now we're in the line type manager block. Then load or reload line types in the line types dialog box, and then add them to your line type list. So let's click load. So to make things faster, press Ctrl and select some line types in the dialog box as much as you can. So as for now, let us just select 3 types of line types. Click OK, and for you to leave the line type manager block, click OK again. So to insert your selected line types in the wireframe, click this portion above, and then click your selected line types in the dialog box a while ago for it to be viewed in the wireframe. Click OK, and then click line. So there we have it. We now have our first line type. So the second one is the tracks, or the phantom times 2. So then let's just do the same process. So click line, and then align it below with the same measurement, which is 35. Press spacebar, and then now we have it. So for the last one, which is the tracks, so again click line, and then align it above or below. So each line types must be the same measurement for it to be successful or to be viewed exactly in wireframe. 35. So there we have it. Now we have our 3 types of line types. So this would be all for today's video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and God bless us all.